Train enthusiasts had the chance to take part in a railroad open house in Lancaster County today. The MV&E Model Railroad Club had their first open house of the month. Returning and first-time visitors saw 7 different train scales operating over 1,600 feet of track. Organizers say the experience was fun for all ages that are fascinated by miniature landscapes or the engineering behind the trains.
Kids are anywhere from 2 to 92 in Harrison. This year marks our 30th anniversary, and we're going to start celebrating 30th anniversary starting in October.
The 1950s theme has expanded with new buildings like a McDonald's, a Masonic Lodge, and a gas station since last year. This is their 30th anniversary of the organization.